Picture this. You wake up in the morning, have a cup of coffee, and head into work. Your morning seems to be off to a good start, but then you sit down at your computer and your email won't load. What do? Do you call tech support, hoping that you won't spend the next half hour on hold? Or even worse, are you stuck trying to research the solution on your own? However you're getting help, it's not much help at all if you're wasting time and money by troubleshooting your own IT problems. Our help desk handles things a bit differently. We offer proactive services, and our technicians are constantly monitoring the health of your network and devices to ensure things are running smoothly. When problems do happen, we'll immediately identify them and begin implementing the appropriate fix. And if you call to report a problem, there's a good chance we're already aware of it and are working to get you back up and running as quickly as possible. Whether it's a password reset, support for Microsoft applications, an antivirus issue, or anything in between, no problem is too large or small for our certified technical experts. You can reach our support team via phone, email, and web-based chat, so you can receive professional, high-quality service in the way that's most convenient for you. Our technicians also maintain regular training, coaching, and quality review to continuously sharpen their skills. And they're backed by a team of professional supervisors and managers to ensure consistency and unmatched service delivery. What are you waiting for? Help is just a phone call away. Get in touch with us today to discover how we can help support your business's technology requirements.